Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily delete Instagram posts on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to put likes and write your comments. So, let us get started with you. First of all, open the Instagram app on your iPhone, and then in the top right corner, go to your posts. And next, go to the dialog with the person you'd like to delete something from. So, if you find a post that you would like to delete, let's say, just tap on it and hold it down. And so you'll get this little menu at the bottom. And you have to choose, of course, delete. As you can see, the message is deleted instantly. If you want to delete a message that a person has written to you, unfortunately you can't do that. The only thing you will be able to do is to delete the entire correspondence. To do this, you will need to swipe from the right side to the left correspondence. And as you can see, I suggest that you first mark it as unread. After that, you need to swipe again, and as you can see, the delete section appears. You press delete, confirm your action, and instantly the correspondence with the person is deleted. In this way, you delete all your messages and all his messages. Friends, this is the simple way you can easily delete Instagram posts on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, be sure to put your likes, and see you soon.